Hey everyone, are you farming Bloom? Here is a quick update on what you got to do to increase your Bloom point. First of all, open your Telegram. First of all, just set a reminder that the Bloom for the game, you can only play it, probably it's better on your mobile device. So for now, I'm going to just give you a little bit trick on what you can do and how to explore the Bloom wallet to stay positioned for future airdrops on Bloom. So yeah, let's get it done. So right there, you launch your app. Yeah, and then I get a little bit of points here. So these are various groups you can join. Blum VND, if you want to open it. Okay, let's just give it an open. So yeah, your tribe, see all tribes you belong to. You can see all tribes, then leave or join any tribe you want. This will help you mine more and share in the prize pool for the tribes. So yeah, let's go. So now for the Bloom points, you can play the game to earn more points. Again, you can go to the tax. The most very easy way of earning more points is on the tax side. Then if you get here, you see I've almost done all my tax here and I left a few ones. So for these ones now, you're going to just do the tax, get over with the tax, and then you have your points added to you. For your information, I believe in Blum because they've raised a couple of stuff already, and they have a very solid community, and usually they are very rare, just like the dogs and the rest. But Blum is going to just do well for you. So now let's say you get in friends pattern, you're able to invite more friends, then you can always claim your reward. And I have a few friends invited already, so I get to get more points from them. So if you have here, your grandma can join here, anybody with Telegram can join here, obviously. So now on the Blum part, this is my main part of this video to show you the Blum wallet. So for your information, you can be able, this feature of sending and receiving hasn't been integrated yet, but obviously if there is a fund in this wallet I connected, just know it's Stonekeeper connected to this one, but obviously you can see your holdings here if there's anything in this wallet. But right now I've not funded this, so I just connected an empty wallet to this one of my accounts, obviously. So now for this wallet, now you can be able to, though these points are not convertible yet, you understand, they're not convertible yet, but it can show you ratio here. So this is for your information. You can position for both Telegram upcoming airdrops by making interaction with Blum wallet. So for example, now when these features start, you can be able to get to do some transactions with the Blum wallet. Yeah,